Hello all, welcome back to Busy Bees channel. Children, today we are going to write lowercase cursive letters from A to Z. Those who are watching the video for the first time, please go through day 1 to day 5 videos. Then you can start writing lowercase cursive letters. Okay, let's start writing. For those who are watching for the first time, I have posted the day-wise links in the description box as well. You can use it. Please do post me the pics and comment me, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you.